Hey there, futurists and tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of futuristic hypersonic cargo drones. We'll be discussing how to design, build, and sell these advanced machines for the future. So, buckle up, and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the design. Our hypersonic cargo drones will be sleek, aerodynamic, and able to fly at speeds of up to Mach 5. That's right, folks, these babies will be faster than a bullet. These drones will be fully automated by using advanced solar panels and a powerful lithium-ion battery. This will ensure that our drones can fly for extended periods. Now, let's talk about the control system. Our drones will be fully automated, making them easy to use and operate. They'll be equipped with the latest in AI technology, allowing them to navigate complex environments and avoid obstacles. One of the key features of our hypersonic cargo drones is their ability to carry a significant amount of cargo. We're talking about a payload capacity of up to 1,000 pounds. This will make them perfect for a variety of applications, from delivering goods to remote locations to transporting supplies to disaster zones. Speaking of applications, let's discuss how our drones will be used. They'll be ideal for military operations, disaster relief, and even for commercial use. For example, they could be used to deliver packages to remote locations or even to transport passengers in the future. Now, let's talk about the cost. Our hypersonic cargo drones will be priced competitively, making them accessible to a wide range of users. We'll be offering them at a price point that is reasonable for both military and commercial applications. And finally, let's discuss the safety features. Our drones will be equipped with advanced sensors and collision avoidance systems, ensuring that they can operate safely in a variety of environments. So there you have it, folks. A brief overview of how to design, build, and sell futuristic hypersonic cargo drones. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, and we can't wait to see these amazing machines take to the skies. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech content. Until next time, keep dreaming big and thinking ahead.